Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Pancake Papa. And today, I have a little question for you kids out there. Kids, do you remember your very first haircut? Something tells me you might not remember it. But I can guarantee you, your parents definitely remember your first time. And when we took Micah to get his, we had more than a few reasons to think things might get a little exciting in there. But we walked through the door and we met the most incredible hairdresser, and she introduced us to something that changed Micah's life forever. She reaches into this cabinet that they had, she pulls out a DVD. And what was it of? PAW Patrol, of course. And she takes that DVD, pops it in right in front of Micah's chair, and he didn't move an inch for 30 minutes. And he wound up with the cutest haircut that I've ever seen in my whole life. And since that day, he's loved these little friends running around saving their community in Adventure Bay. And now he has pajamas, sweatshirts, games, and books just like this one. And so what we're gonna do together today is we're gonna make one of Micah's very favorite PAW Patrol friends. And that is Marshall, the fireman dog. And as always, when we're making one of our more well-known friends, unfortunately we can't put a little picture up here in the corner, but that's okay. Parents out there, just pull up a little picture online and you can follow right along with us. And yes, Marshall is a little more complicated than some of our other pancakes, but we can do it together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this book down and guess what time it is? It's time for pancakes! Let's do this! Alrighty everyone, pan is hot and we're ready to get things rolling. And as always, we're starting on the left side of his face. But Marshall's got a hat, so we gotta make that first. Let's do this. We're just doing his head, but we gotta give ourselves all sorts of room. So Marshall's got a big old hat. Here we go. Look at this. This is just the bill of it. And moms, dads, this one's a little more complicated, but we can do this together, all right? So here we go. Top of his hat. It's got a little shape like this. He's got his little shield. Whoop! All right, and the mohawk on top of the hat, of course. We're doing great already. All right, the hat's looking good. We're gonna come back, fill in some details later. We gotta move on to his ear. He's got one ear in this picture that I'm looking at, and it's a big old ear. We'll come down like that. There's Marshall's ear. And now, gotta draw down for his face. Just like that. We're gonna start there. Okay, back up here. Actually, his hat, we gotta finish off his hat. It comes down here just a little bit to where it meets his head. Just like that. And then he's got this big old nose right here. It's perfect. It's perfect, people. Okay, that's gonna be his mouth. We come down. Now the best part, he's got this big tongue. So here we go. Whoop! Look at that tongue. And now we'll finish off his little mouth. Just like this. And gonna loop on down. There we go. There's his tongue. Okay, the nose. He's got a dark nose. We gotta fill it in right here. Bring it down to a little point. Loop it back up. Doing well. Got this little slit there, and his eyes. He's got nice eyes. So Marshall's eye number one, just like that. And then, big ol' eye number two. Little under part of his eye. We're gonna loop that around. There we go, let's see what we can do here. He's got a colored portion of his eye, so we're gonna do a little interior, and then the dark. On the other side, little interior, and then the dark. All right, we're just about there. We gotta do a few more details. Look, he's got a little eyebrow, another little eyebrow. Okay, here we go. We got some dots on this. Here we go, Marshall. Dot number 1. He's got quite a few little dots on his ears, but you know what? We're just gonna do 3. We're just gonna do 3. That's perfect. All right, he's got a big dot here on his cheek. And another little dot. Okay, we're doing well. And now, let's finish off that hat a little bit, all right? So on his hat, this little part, it comes down, another little detail, do it like that. And then the little badge, PAW Patrol badge, right in the center. It's perfect. And last, it's got these little lines. Make it look like a real fireman hat. We're doing great. Okay, you know what? We've made it to that time. Well, we need to start filling some stuff in. So we're starting with the dark parts, all right? So here we go. Here's his little nose. I'm gonna fill that in. We gotta do all these spots. Because he's a Dalmatian. And we all know that Dalmatians are white dogs with black spots. All right? Let me check it out. This little PAW Patrol symbol up here, we're gonna make that dark too. And now we're gonna let it cook. Oh, come on now. We forgot a little something. He's got a couple little dots by his eyes. We're just gonna drop those in. And those will be perfect. All right, we're seeing those dots. This is all starting to cook. So we're going to the next sections, all right? We're gonna color in all the parts that are kind of dark red. So we got the inside of his mouth. And you know what? We need to get going a bit faster. So it's time for the lid switch. Hop over here. Gotta do the hat. All right, this part of the hat was kind of folding up some. So what you do is just push down a little bit and start squirting out your mix. Here we go. All right, get all that. Here we go. We're doing great. Let them cook a little longer. All right, we got to color in this part of his eyes. He's got blue eyes. This is going to be darker than the rest of his body. Gonna fill that in, a little spot, another little spot, and also, we got to do the tongue. All right, here we go. Marshall's got this nice tongue down here. Fill that in. And wait a little longer. We're almost there, kids. We're almost there. All right, it's time to fill in the rest of his head, okay? So we got another little point that's standing up a little bit. You just push down, squirt over the top of it, and it'll go down nice for us. Here we go. We've got to fill it in quick, so it's as even as possible, all right? We're coming around, filling right there. It's got a little white spot. We're doing it. I think Micah's gonna love him. Cook for a few seconds, and then it's time for the eyes. All right, the last step, as always, what do? We drop it from the top. All right, here we go. Eye number 1, don't want to miss off the side. There we go, we're doing it. Oh, we made it. Okay, and eye number 2. He's all filled in and about ready for the flip. Just loosen him up a little more. All right, I think we've made it. Just gotta check the eyes. Gently, gently. It's time. All right, gotta slide it under there. Whoo! Almost lost him, but we didn't. And you know what? We're ready for the countdown. So kids, do it with me. 3, 2, 1. Boom! And we've got Marshall, your Paw Patrol dog. He's looking great, and I bet Micah's gonna love him. Let's go get him and see what he thinks. Micah, I'm ready for you. Come over here. You ready? What do you think we made? What is it?
Marshall.
Marshall? Like the picture? What's Marshall from?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol? Do you like Paw Patrol? Yeah, you do. Is he a pretty cute one? Does he have a big tongue? Where's his tongue at? His tongue's right there, but you have a tongue too, don't you? All right. Okay, well, we're just gonna say a few things to all the moms and dads out there. Listen, we can do this. I'm not an artist. You may or may not be. Who cares? Get yourself a bottle and let's start making pancakes together, all right? And a couple more things. One, we just need you to subscribe down below and follow us on Instagram at the Pancake Papa. But until then, we'll see you next time. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye! Ruff, ruff, ruff!